How to screen record on Windows 11 PCs for free. Open Start, type Sniping Tool on the search bar and click on it. Once the Sniping Tool is open, click on the Record Mode button. To start a recording, press Windows key, Shift key and R key together on the keyboard. Or click on the New button to start recording your screen. Now select a specific area of your screen to record. To record or mute system audio, click on here. To use or mute microphone, just click on here. Now click on Start to record your screen. A countdown will begin. Once the countdown is finished, your screen will start recording. You can discard recording if anything bad happens. Just click on it. You can also pause the recording by clicking on the pause button. To stop the recording, click on the stop button in the notification area. The recorded video will be saved as MP4 file. You can save it to your desired location by clicking on here. To find the saved recordings, go to this PC. Then click on Videos from left pane. Then click on Screen Recordings folder. And that's how you can screen record on Windows 11 PCs for free. Thanks for watching.